Sani ye no brada bia no ade bia no a aye adesoa e wo yen so no. Enu nti e na ya hwehwe confessions ye de ba eye brada bia to say brada wo. Ade bia no a aye adesoa e wo so no. And then we want to offer this platform as a channel bia. Ebetumi aboa na confessions bi wo ha. Ubenya nka oni obi besusu ho. Nanka nipa na tumi aboa wo. But usuro se eyo secret. Wo kwa kan. Anhwe ya na nipa ne de ayetwe apia. Ade eyo secret o. Wanhwe ya na baba be ye public at semwa. Enkofo de be ridicule. Na because say usuro nti ade ne da ho hye wo. So many years ade no gusua e wo wadwe. You don't know who to share that problem with. Unya yanka oni obi besusu ho na nka nipa no aboa wo. Wa mau advice bi wo. That is why each and every Tuesday yeah, the confessions yeah the ba. Ya hwehwe dwumadie se saade na ehwe wo. Saade sa secret na wo pe na woni mu. Unya yanka oni obi besusu ho na nka nipa na aboa wo with advice bi no. And then we want to offer you that opportunity on Ghana's #1 radio stations. Na de ye ni se wo fra membo wudin. Dem pese obi abewu mpo se ye wo. Eno nti wo fra membo wudin. E bia wo fra fi no so menka. Demom asem no eye den confession eye den. Eno na me pese wo de ye nche na ye wi a ye wo marriage counselor, relationship expert, and an ordained pastor ankasa. How beboa na wa advice on the way forward and how to go about the situation. And it's a man power feel free. That shares problem or not. Sa secret, you know. Share that confession. That counselor emblem non-counsel. Why? My telephone number in here is 0302 216 561. 0302 216 562. Make sure it's 0302 216 561. 0302 216 562. You may be no din de fear council right here on Adom 106.3 FM. Yanko Manosoni NT calls kakra. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, Mr. Remember why?
Me more.
Okay.
Black eye.
Me patcho confession today.
Me the enemy person counselor or chair me say. And fear he and ye di worry oba say wo be ma we dia and na oba no si dia. Because me say no me keka akọ 40. Na oba bia me ne be ye adamfo no na me adam me namfo no be ka say o. And I when you see no, and I constitution with tipping any idea, you know, not any problem. I mean, it's a council on what name shall say, you're worrisome and ye, and one.
Okay, Tianwana, all right, yeah, that's it, Pimilia. Yampike, your second call for this afternoon. Good afternoon. Quite unfortunate line or drop is 0302 216 561. 0302 216 562. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Me patcho member di why? All right. Yenti your confession.
About your name, different areas now. Woman is like
obetumi aka ma wano mben phone no why because mente dia oka no.
Hello.
Yeah, kasa.
Me name different areas now we need like. Me name to see am so hwe me no worry me ono so your obi kuno. The council aboa.
Na only one more no now no one more say as boyfriend girlfriend and
because I
na only e bi wo ma.
Because David.
Oh, okay. Na say wow.
Because David.
Oh, okay. Because me say akwada bi su ho ntra.
Oh, David.
Na identity na 3 other guys no want to me no more move on.
No, omunya meaning omunya also you know say that never for
one anka reason why omu no wajai.
Because one.
You say only married man be the call out.
Because one.
Na o treat how how does he treat you?
Oh, no, fine. You can't be
The OPB